Hello everyone, and today we'll be playing Garden of BanBan, or Garten of BanBan. I hope you enjoy. This is the first game, so hopefully it's not too long. Oh god, I hate that music. It's... Okay, let's read. For a parent looking for their missing child, time is a delicate matter. Click the clock. Click the clock to advance time. Oh, is that a boarded up hammer thing? Oh, it's opened. Oh, some sort of stain. Oh, lights off. Well, okay then. Why, here I am. Okay. Oh, I can move that. Okay, I can't do nothing with that. I hate when like things tell you how to sprint, because it's like unnerving. Stinger Flynn says, having many arms allows me to help a lot more people. That's cool, even though I didn't ask. And there's nothing in that room. I don't know why anyone would ever go in here. No secrets as of yet. How do I use this? Oh, 2 batteries. Look, ooh, secret. Dear mummy, I'm hiding in a room, but I have to fight the monster. It is the only chance to make Claire like me. Okay, let me leave. Let me leave. Okay, there we go. I didn't know how to escape. Okay, 2 batteries. I swear, if they're in the room, if they've just popped up in the room, I'm gonna be so mad. Wow. Wow. How lovely. How lovely that just happened. Oh, Jumbo Josh shares. I don't know why I said it like that. Eat vegetables and fruits to become strong like me. So if you can hear something in the background. Oh. Oh, oh. Oh. Left mouse button to use the toy. There, now. Let me back away from the thing. Creativity area. Okay. Boots. 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 Okay, I've clocked. Okay. What was the point of that? What was... What? What? Oh. Oh. Okay, there was more. Why are you red? Why? That is such a lovely thing, which I've never seen before. Hello. Oh, you're the monster. I remember now. Well, you'll have me. I'm not going in there. Captain Fiddle says, Ooga booga, booga ooga. Bambalina says, kindness is free, so sprinkle it everywhere. Well, I don't appreciate it being a dark corridor, so I'm going to back up into this room. Where's my... I do not like this at all. Okay, come on. Come here. What's going on? Why can't I do nothing? I hate the eerie music. The end is here. Oh my god. It would be really helpful if there was somebody here who could perhaps help me. Oh god, am I gonna have to turn on the light? Oh no no no. Uh-oh. 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 Oh. 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 Oh no. Oh no no no. If I come closer, is it gonna hurt me? If I get jump scared, I'm gonna be so mad. It's unbelievably hungry. Feed it 6 eggs to get your fries. Can I get more than 1 egg at a time? I'm actually terrified. I'm actually terrified. The funny thing is that I've got somebody in the background watching my game, and they're just so quiet, which makes it even worse. Okay, here's an egg. I don't know why I'm getting so scared. It's just a bird. It's just a bird. Just a burb. Just a burb. What was that? Okay. Okay. I've got 3 eggs. 3 eggs. Do I have a... Let me not mention a time limit. I'm actually kind of scared still. Okay, 4 eggs. Please tell me there's a 5th one somewhere here. Where's the 5th one? And the 6th? There's no 5th egg. And there's no... What? No! No! It's gonna get angry at me now. I'm going to get scared. I'm probably just being a little dum-dum. Probably somewhere about that red thing. Oh my god. I was like, what's that noise? I think that's Discord. Yes. Heg. 5th heg. If you know what I'm referencing, you're one of the good ones. Okay. So I went up there. There was one in there. There was one there. I think there was probably one here. Okay. Do I have 6 actually? I might already have 6 and just not realise it. I tried to feed it and now I heard a boom. I did not like that. I think it's because I don't have 6 eggs. Where's the 6th egg? Where is it? Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, wait. Oh, secrets. What? What was that? There was nothing there. Oh, blue thing underneath. Oh, okay, it activated that button. So, where's my... I'm sure that thing was looking at me. I'm sure I turned around and it was looking at me. There we go, there's the 6th egg. Time to feed the birdie. The bird. I have all 6 eggs. Do not lie to me right now. Do I have to put it in a speak? Oh no, it's just the sound that it's making when it's going down. Are you still hungry? Oh, no. A yellow key card. Lovely. Oh, okay, I'm just gonna walk backwards. If you don't mind me. Come on. Come along. Come along. Come along. Slowly but surely, come along. What are you getting stuck on? Okay, come here. Okay, come here. Okay. I'm sure it said that I can move it directly through the objects. I'm keeping that bird in my sight. I'm not doing this thing about... Oh god, I don't know what I keep feeling like it's moving. Okay. Okay, I think that's just telling me where it is. Go break the glass. What was the problem then? Bro really said I can't break the glass when you're on... Oh, there we are. Yeah, that bird is alive, by the way, which is why I'm so scared to go near it. Oh, I know what's about to happen here. Press space to jump. Maddening. I'm keeping my eye on that bird for as long as I can. Oh my god, what? What happened there? H. Oh my good golly. Oh my good golly gosh. Okay, so I now know that it won't come after me until a later date. Okay, good. So at least I don't have to go get my little buddy. Oh, whoa. Okay, I see what the problem is. Because I think it's going to jump onto that. Oh, what does that say? Opila Bird says what? Come here. Okay, so we were meant to look through all of the things. Thankfully, I know what all of these people look like. So I know what colour they're meant to be. Okay, I know you're meant to be orange. Still not bad. Oh, I don't remember what colour you're meant to be. I'm going to leave you to last. I know you're meant to be pink, I think. Or purple. I'm going to say pink. You're meant to be white. You're meant to be green. And you're meant to be Yeah. Yeah. There you go. Okay, you should be red. I think you meant to be the last colour. There we go. Oh! Hello there. No, 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 no. Oh my god, it's following me. No, no. No, what are you doing? What are you doing? Okay, I did that just so I could see what it was like, because otherwise I'm going to be scared the entire time. Okay, 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 I'm not built for horror games. I'm not built for... Why do I do this to myself? I did this because this is my most viewed long form video, that's why. Cause okay, so I know... Oh, cool. I'm going to read that later. Okay, I know it doesn't come for me here. Okay. Just gonna wait for this to turn red. That's what I'm going to wait for. Wait for it to turn red. Wait for it to turn red. There. Go, go, go now! What are you doing? Not me! The way I just fell off of it is crazy. I'm not built for horror games. Bro, I'm new. I'm new. Okay. Okay, I know what I can do. I can do this. I just need to calm the helly down. I don't know what you were doing last time, okay? I told you to press the button and you didn't press the button. So you're gonna stay there until I tell you to move. Hiya there. Hiya. Hi. Hi. I fed you those eggs. I fed you those eggs and you're not... Okay, there we go. Go, go, now, 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 now. The way I jumped off again is going to be something they put into the history books for top 10 dumbest moments ever in the history of the world. Okay. But what I want to do after I get over there, I'm going to evolve this in. I'm going to go back here because I don't... Okay, so as soon as it gets up there, I can press it because... No, it's just the way the gyroscopic head just looks at me. Oh, it's gone. Not for long though. I'm not trusting that. I'm not trusting that at all. Okay, so I got the red key card. Whatever I'm meant to do with that. Okay. Wait, I need to go back to find what it said. Because there was something on the wall here that I didn't read. Opila Bird says laughter is the best medicine. Make sure you smile. Really? Because you don't give me a lot of smiles. You tend to give me a lot of fear and discomfort. Just the way it looks. What's in here? The way I completely forgot to get my... Come to me. Because now I have to go back, go get the thing. What the hell are you? What's in your Go up, let's go up. Okay, go on. Quicker, quicker. If it stops on that, I'm going to. Never in mind. A few years. Come on. Okay, run into me, so you'll stop. Okay. Now go straight. Do not bump into the tree. Go straight, go straight, go straight. Okay. Now this way. I'm sure we're meant to be getting talked to by somebody or something like that. What do you mean? Okay. This was unnecessarily hard, so I'm going to cut this entire bit. Come here. Oh my god! There. Lovely. Okay, you're in the room now. Okay, what was the point of that? Okay. I'm about to have to run. Oh no. Okay. I don't have to run. Everything's fine. Kind of. I think. Down into the deep dark pits of wherever we are. The garden. I think. What the hell? Oh. Oh. Oh, I do not like this. I can. Oh! Oh! Whoa! 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 Is that the end of the game? This has got to be the craziest game I've ever played. No, it's not. It's just... Thank you for playing the sequel. Oh, thanks for playing. Here's the sequel. That will be in the next video. Okay, I'm going to just have a look at what I unlocked. Oh, I can't. Okay, anyway. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. It was not too awful, but I didn't quite like it, as you can tell. If you